Tonight, on the Deconstruction Network, it's porn, 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 as Debbie does Derrida!
I express desire for you in a strictly physical way.
I engage in indecisive flirting behavior that you call teasing.
I express my desire again with veiled threats of aggression.
I submit to your approach because you threaten me.
I act out a middle-class male fantasy.
I act in stereotypical ways that men think they find attractive. We engage in foreplay.
I bend, fold, spindle, and nearly mutilate your primary and secondary sexual characteristics.
I reciprocate.
Ecstasy.
Debbie does Derrida, rated IQ 150. No one with an IQ under 150 will be allowed to watch this film. That's tonight on the Deconstruction Network. Slogan, slogan, slogan!